What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I did a last minute thing where I decided I wanted to start painting my furniture. My furniture is kind of old and it needed a touch up, so what I wanted to do was completely do a new makeover for my furniture. So if y'all haven't seen the video already, I am transforming an old dresser. It was a white dresser. It's an old white dresser I had when I was younger, and I'm transforming that into a Mickey Mouse dresser for my son to go in his room. For this video, I will be transforming an old nightstand I used to have, and I will be transforming that into like a glamorous turquoise diamond nightstand. So anyways, like I said, some parts might be missing, but that's because I just jumped into starting to paint my furniture and have these ideas, so I didn't pick up the camera. But if y'all like this video, go check out the other video of me turning an old dresser into the Mickey Mouse dresser, and I hope y'all enjoy. If y'all aren't subscribed already, please subscribe and leave a like on this video if you like it, and we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. Sorry guys in advance for the angles of the videos. Some videos will be upright instead of landscape, because like I said, it was a last minute thing and I didn't remember to pick up my phone and start recording until after it was already done. So I do have parts that's gonna be upright instead, and I'm sorry for that, but I hope y'all enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take this dresser, and I had already started painting the front and the other side turquoise, but I'm gonna show you me painting this side, and I think I'm gonna actually paint the top as well. So yeah, let's get into painting the rest of it so we can go ahead and start doing the drawers for the nightstand. So let's start painting the sides, and then we're gonna paint the top. So I'm hoping I have enough paint to do both. I should. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I painted the front, and I didn't really worry about these because the drawers are gonna cover those up, so I didn't really worry about that. But I painted the top, the front, and both sides, and I've been calling it turquoise, but it's a pretty little light blue. It actually looks light on camera, but I swear it's a little darker than it's showing. It's kind of like a green blue. But it does say it's light blue. So that is done, and now I'm gonna start working on the drawers. And if y'all haven't already, go ahead and check out this video. I'm not done with it, but this is another video I'm working on, and this will be a Mickey Mouse dresser. I just have to get the Mickey Mouse knobs for it, but go ahead and check that video out as well. And I am going to show y'all kind of a test drawer that I did. I wanted to test the drawers out before I decided if that's what I was gonna do. So let me go ahead and show you that. So this is a test drawer, and this is kind of the look I was going for. I added the diamond knot, the glitter, and I put epoxy on top of it so that the glitter won't get everywhere. But this is how I'm gonna be doing my drawers. I don't know if I'm gonna add anything to it or just keep it like this, but this was the first drawer I did. So I actually like how it came out, so I will do my drawers like this, and I'm gonna record and show y'all how I did it. So I have these little knobs. I think this is a key holder, but I got these crystal knobs. I'm gonna take off this bar, and I am going to use it as the knobs for the drawer. And when I was younger, I painted it with nail polish, But now that I have actual paint, I will be painting it and making it into a side table for my room. Guys, so I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna add the glitter to my drawer. I started adding some of the glue already, but this is the drawer. I took pink nail polish when I was a kid and did this with some tape, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix it with my glitter. So first you're gonna apply the glue, and I don't have a proper paintbrush, so if you have the proper stuff, then kudos to y'all. I do not, so I'm going to be adding glue however I see that I can do it. And with glitter, it is messy, so make sure you have something underneath to catch the glitter and possibly dump it back on so you're not wasting all your glitter. I got glue. I'm gonna sprinkle my glitter on there. The glitter is up there. Y'all see? Pretty. And we're gonna toss it off. So, yep, it's coated. Now we're going to continue to move. And I forgot to take the knob off. I was supposed to take the knob off, but it's gonna be okay. It'll be all right. And y'all see, it's coming out really nice. I like it. Again, if you have the proper tools, the paintbrush and stuff, it might be smoother. But since this is going in my room, nobody's really gonna see it. So yeah. And this is how the drawer looks after it's done with the glitter and everything. And I'm gonna add epoxy because the glitter does tend to fall out and fall all over the floor, and I really don't want it on my carpet. So this is the drawer when it's done. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take this knob and I'm gonna replace it with these knobs. So first things first, I'm gonna have to unscrew it. And go ahead and take that out. Got a little stuff, but I took that apart. So now we're gonna add this knob to this drawer. So now we're just gonna add the knob. Let's see if I can do this. Take the screwdriver and just screw it in. I don't want my knob to move. I have the knob in now, so I'm probably going to add some more glitter around where it did not have it at because the other knob was wider. But I'm not going to show that part. But yeah, just fill it up if you want to. And this is how the drawer will look. This is the drawer. And I'm going to put epoxy on it so the glitter doesn't fall. But other than that, this is the drawer so far. Yeah. Okay, so I am going to use Harden and Rizon. And I got these from Walmart. It was a set for, I believe it was like $15 or $19. But it's a set. And you pour, you know, you just follow the instructions. 2 drawers I need to coat. So I'm going to pour a good amount into my bowl. Yep. And I'm just gonna apply it. So, and then we're just gonna put it on our drawer. And you don't want to rub it too hard because you don't want the glitter to come off. But you do want to put a good amount on so that way it can harden and seal the glitter onto your drawer. So this is how the drawers looked. I didn't have any more glitter, but this is how the drawers look after the epoxy. I don't know if you can really tell the difference. It's wet still. It's got a little shine to it. You can kind of see it right here. but I didn't have any more glitter. I may decide to add it later on, but these are the drawers, and this, I will show you what it looks like when I put it together. So this is the finished product of my glamorous side table. And I didn't add anything else. I just decided to keep it basic. And this is the finished product. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like. And if you're not subscribed, if you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. It came out really good. I really like it. So bye guys.